So they will come out, yes, tell me, with little explosion. And listen me. And when this conduit pipe has been, what I said that? After a certain period of time, they have been solidified. Just tell me. So when the next time through the, after the, it is coming out, then it will do explosion. Yes or not? So what it will come out? Pyroclastic? What it will come out? क्योंकि stop कर रहा है conduit pipe. And then I said that when they will come out with the, what is the particles, क्या आएगा? Just tell me. Particles, ash, dust, gas and lava. And they will be in the form of another layer. It is becoming, yes, particles and all. And you know that the particles cannot give the higher height. Yes. And now we are able to get what? Open. And now, और ये open नहीं, close भी हो जाए. यदि suppose it has been closed, तो फिर another time it will be pyroclastic. Yes or not? Another time there will be what? Pyroclastic. But after the pyroclastic, after certain interval, magmatic eruption took place. And this time magma comes out. And this time which magma? Lava is there. So these particles को किसने support दे दिया? Who has given the support to not to move down? Lava. Yes or no? Strong lava. And again then suppose lava eruption is there. Again we have an which eruption? Lava. Understood? And after that, so we have an, I said that one layer of lava, another layer of pyroclastic, another one layer of, and after that again another layer we have got. और ये ज़्यादा दिन रुक गया, then it has converted into, yes, tell me, solidified, and it will come out with a large amount of this time what? Pyroclastic. And after that, फिर pyroclastic suppose है, and after that there is a lava. So this way we are able to see what? This layer is what? Pyroclastic. Yes or not? And one layer is what? Lava. Understood? So, चाहे ऐसा नहीं होगा कि always after one lava coming, there is a lava can also come. But after lava, suppose 2-3 lava, who can? Pyroclastic. So there will be alternate layer of whom? Lava and pyroclastic. And that is known as what? Stratovolcano. Understood? And that is also known as, yes, composite volcano. And we can say that it is the highest volcano, highest volcanic mountains of the world. समझ में आया why it is able to attain the highest height? Because after every pyroclastic it was given supported by lava. And लिख लेंगे for example Chimborazo, in Ecuador country of South America. Chimborazo and Cotopaxi दोनों लिख लेंगे. Chimborazo and Cotopaxi. Chimborazo, 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 and I said that Cotopaxi. And both these volcanic mountains are in the Ecuador of South America. Understood? Understood? So which are the volcanic mountains we have seen? Shield type, basaltic magma. Then we have seen cinder or as granitic magma. And then we have been able to see, yes, tell me, stratovolcano, andesitic with a little granitic. Understood it? and that is this way we have been able to get what? और ग्रेनाइटिक सिंडर के लिए मैंने क्या बोला था? ग्रेनाइटिक मैग्मा बट एट लिटिल डेप्थ, जस्ट नियर टू द अर्थ सरफेस, बट विद गैसियस प्रेशर. याद है ना? विद गैसियस प्रेशर. नेक्स्ट वन, सपोज over the long period, this next one we are going to see parasitic in the same stratovolcano. This conduit pipe has been completely, यदि बहुत बड़ा mountain बन गया, then this will be completely what? Closed. And andesite cannot give, andesitic or little granitic magma is not able to give what is in a pressure, it will not be able to come out. यस, या तो यही होगा कि ग्रेनाइटिक मैग्मा इतना नीचे प्रेशर हो और गैस की इसको पूरे वोल्केनिक माउंटेन को ही ब्लोन अवे इन द एटमॉस्फेयर. और एक ऐसा हुआ था Krakatoa, yesterday I have mentioned, and not only Krakatoa island finished, whole Krakatoa island blown away in the atmosphere, and for the 3 years climates of the world has been affected. Itne dust particles are in the air that the sun rays started coming less into the what? Earth's surface. So you understand that when the sun rays are less, then the climate will get affected. Understood it? And dinosaurs जो खत्म हुए थे किसकी वजह से? Sun rays are not coming, and what happened? Climate has been changed. उस समय क्या था? एक meteor striked with the earth, and then a amount of dust come into the atmosphere. It has covered the whole earth. And then sun rays are not come out, the whole earth has been converted into what? Glacier. 65 million years ago. And that time the dinosaurs and all has been died, and then some of the animal बचने के चक्कर में adaptation, that you know that Darwin's theory enter into the water. Water में generally क्या होता है? Water का upper surface ice हो जाता है, नीचे में क्या रहता है? And adaptation से some of the animal has been, and your shark fish is in a one time it was in a kind of what? 4-footed animal, and they enter into the ocean and convert into, you know, that very khatarnak. So I said that climate can change if there are atmosphere which is flooded with lots of dust particles. So climate change में एक example 1883 Krakatoa volcanic eruption रखना कि 3 years के लिए what? Climate has been affected. Shall I remove this? Sorry, ये और ये क्या हो गया? This conduit pipe has been completely closed. तो क्या होगा? This magma is not able to give pressure. तो ये देखेगा कहीं आसान रास्ता. तो ये कौन सा रास्ता है? Cinder. फिर थोड़ा सा इसको तोड़ा and it comes out. And they started increasing their making volcanic cone here. So this volcanic cone is growing at the cost of main volcanic cone. And parasites क्या होता है? समझते हैं ना parasites? Parasites in an organism where the symbiotic is, you know that symbiotic relationship. Which are the 3 types of symbiotic relationship? Raise your hand. Only two people? Sorry, 2 portions are there? Yes? Huh? Commensalism, parasitism, mutualism. So commensalism में बहुत था, what is an? I said that बहुत दोनों सभी में commensalism, mutualism and parasitism में सभी 2 different species are there. लेकिन what I said that parasitism में one is benefit, other is loss. In commensalism में one is benefit, other is no harm. जैसे in the equatorial evergreen forest में क्या होता है? Yes, tell me. The trees are very long, and then some lianas and some, I said that epiphytes, they used to, with the help of this tree, come into the upper atmosphere to the sunlight, so they are not affecting the tree. It is known as what? Which relation? Commensalism. But when both the species are benefiting each other, it is known as mutualism. It is known as जो corals में होता है. And I said that यहाँ पे क्या है? Only he is in this volcanic mountain, now he will stop growing. Now what happened? So this volcanic mountain is known as parasitic type of cone. Which kind of cone? Or around the planet, which heavenly body moves? Satellite. So around the main volcano there is another volcano. It means satellitic volcanic cone. So it is known as parasitic or satellite. Around the planet which moves? Tell me. Satellite. Around the main volcano, a small volcano, it is known as growing this side, this side, this side. That is known as satellitic. So understood? Satellite. So which are the four we have seen? Tell me first. Cinder. Yes. Silt, cinder or ash. Very easy. And then we have seen which one? Composite or stratovolcano. And then parasitic or satellite. Next one I said that dome shape. Which I said that dome shape. This is again granitic magma. This is again granitic magma. And where is granitic magma? Near to the earth's surface. Where it is? Near to the earth's surface. But cinder type में मैंने क्या कहा था? Tell me. Gaseous pressure. There is no gaseous pressure. Understood? Slowly and slowly this magma try to break this region. कभी आपने सूजी का हलवा, आटे का हलवा, if you see the flour made हलवा, उस थोड़ा सा डेंस होता है, टेस्टी होता है, and जैसे ही उसे हवा में रखते हैं, what happens? Suddenly solidified. So when this granitic magma, which is a pasty in nature, when it will come out, solidified. When it comes out, solidified, comes out, because there is a less pressure, slowly and slowly pressure has been removed by this hot granitic magma. ध्यान रखेंगे, no gaseous pressure. Gaseous pressure होगा तो फिर, and there is an I said that dome shape volcanic cone. Understood? Dome shape. And इसका आइडिया आप लोग का है ना हॉटस्पॉट का? दिस वोल्केनिक माउंटेन हैज बीन फॉर्म्ड आफ्टर दैट प्लेट हैज मूव्ड अवे. तो ये वोल्केनिक माउंटेन यहाँ आ गया. द सेम हियर इट इज, स्लोली एंड स्लोली इट इज मूविंग अवे सेवरल, बताया था ना. एंड स्लोली एंड स्लोली इट विल स्टार्टेड सबसाइडिंग आल्सो. दिख रहा है, डूबते चला जा रहा है. सो this is your lava dome. This is your what? Lava dome shape type of, what is I said that? Volcanic. Understood it? And this is I said that? Parasitic. Composite layers are there. Cinder is there. Still it is spreading over there. Now, we are going to see types of volcanic eruption based on general classification. Types of volcanic eruption based on general classification. अच्छा सॉरी, यहाँ पर हम लोगों ने ये बताया नहीं ना, एक इधर भी तो था, क्रेटर एंड क्रेटर लेक, कॉल्डेरा. तो आप लोग बोला तो करो, अभी मैं कंप्लीट नहीं कराया. एंड it's very easy now. Any volcanic mountain, every volcanic mountain has an what? Saucer shaped structure, and that is known as what? Crater. And after the rainfall, when water gets accumulated, that becomes crater lake. इसका importance क्या है? Yes, tell me. In this crater lake and caldera lake, आपको दिखेगा lots of sulfur contents are there. So we are getting sulfur for our human use from this crater and caldera. कहाँ से हम लोग लेते हैं? Yes, tell me. Crater and caldera lake that we are using what? Sulfur. तो वर्ल्ड में इतना दिमाग में रखिएगा, सल्फर कंट्रीब्यूशन, you know that sulfur or sulfate, which are the two types of ions, which are the two types of ions for